Hey mina vänner, it's Heather from TidyLife. Since COVID is finally beginning to settle down, some air travel has been reopened. That means that tomorrow I get to fly internationally to the United States from Sweden, and I thought it'd be fun to show you how a KonMari consultant packs a carry-on for 3 weeks. The key is to pack versatile pieces that can mix and match, and also provide layers so you can add on or peel off as needed. So the first thing I do when I'm getting ready to pack my suitcase is to lay out all of the clothes that I want to bring and make sure I have enough outfits for the types of activities that I plan on doing. In this case, I know that I'm going to want to work out. We might go kayaking or hiking, so I want to have a variety of athletic wear. And then the rest of the time I will be working or going into town or going shopping or just hanging out. So I want to make sure I have a variety of clothing options in my wardrobe. The weather right now, I've already checked, and at least for the next 10 days or so, it should be in the mid 70s to 80s. So that means that it'll be both cooler in the evenings and the mornings and warmer and more humid during the day. So in those cases, I want to make sure I have enough options, some short sleeve, some long sleeve, and I don't foresee myself needing a pair of jeans, so I'm not bringing them this time. Just going to stick with some capris and a pair of shorts. I kind of feel like I might be overpacking a bit, but I also anticipate the summer weather to be very humid. I'll also be working with a client 80% of the time, so there's a chance I might get grimy or dusty as well. When I fold my clothes for packing, I do fold them the KonMari style so that they can be stacked vertically and you can see at a glance what you have. If you'd like to see some of those, I'll link you to the folding demonstrations that I've done that are already on YouTube below. So I'm going to go ahead and fold these. So once you have them all folded, they take up considerably less space than when you had them all laid out. So therefore, they're going to fit into a smaller space in your suitcase. I have some of these packing cubes that I also put stuff in. It makes things easier if you're going through security and something needs to be checked out. They don't toss all of your clothes, they can just pick up one and move it aside. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these into the packing cube. So I have all of the tops into a packing cube. That leaves me with just the bottoms, which I will fill in Tetris style. So here's a tip when you're traveling with extra shoes. Put them inside another bag. It could be a plastic bag, it could be a grocery bag. These just happen to be cotton bags. Some of them I made, some of them they came with other pairs of shoes. So by doing this, you contain all of the shoe dirt within the bag, and therefore it won't get the rest of your clothes gross. And the shoes that I'm bringing are my gym trainers, flip-flops, and a pair of hiking sandals. So it was a tight fit, but here you can see everything is in there. You can go on the side or straight on. Shoes, more shoes, pair of pants. So it's best to make sure that you have an outfit set aside for what you're going to wear on the plane. And if it's the heaviest items that you have, all the better. Now that I'm packed, it's time to weigh in. Check your airline's website for the maximum size and weight so that you don't incur unexpected baggage fees. I'm flying AirFrance, so I need to stay under 12 kilograms. Perfect. Check out my Instagram at TidyLifeGot. I hope this video helped you with your summer travel plans. See you next time. Hej då!